national-level specialized, sophisticated, distinctive, and innovative Little Giant enterprise in Shanxi is driving the province's solid waste resource utilization industrial chain toward a higher quality and more sustainable future. From book clubs sharing historical stories to archives preserving historical documents, Shanxi Provincial Library is leveraging diverse formats to deeply explore and revitalize the province's invaluable cultural heritage. Through generations of innovation by its inheritors, Shanxi noodles and other wheaten foods have evolved into a unique culinary cultural icon, exuding the timeless fragrance of history. Hello and welcome to Exploring Shanxi. I'm Zhang Minyi. Coal gang, a byproduct of coal mining accounting for over 10% of raw coal output, now only occupies land but also causes environmental pollution when self-igniting. Now in Xinzhou, a national-level specialized, sophisticated, distinctive, and innovative Little Giant enterprise has mastered the art of turning these black stones into an indispensable new material for high-end manufacturing. Let's take a closer look. Coal gang, a solid byproduct of coal mining, serves as the primary raw material for gaoling production here.
The coal gang enters our production line and is fully processed, leaving no waste residue or byproducts. Our system can process approximately 2,000 tons per day.
Since its founding in 2007, the company has been committed to the mission of giving new life to coal gang by producing calcined kaolin from coal gang. Its products are widely used in paper making, coatings, rubber, and wire and cable industries.
Other applications include decorative paper and automotive coatings. Currently, our domestic market share reaches 55%, while our export volume accounts for over 70% of the national total.
Hundreds of kilometers away, Shanxi Lianglong Coatings Company in Yuzhi District, Jingzhong, is busy shipping products. Over the years, the company has expanded its market presence by constantly delivering stable and high-performance products.
The kaolin we use is divided into two types: natural washed kaolin and calcined kaolin. Products made with calcined kaolin exhibit superior opacity and scrub resistance compared to those using natural washed kaolin.
With the leading-edge technology and stable product performance, Jinyu Kelin was selected as the leader of Shanxi Province's waste resource recycling industrial chain in 2023. Currently, the company is jointly working with upstream and downstream enterprises to establish industry standards, driving the high-end, intelligent, and green transformation of the entire coal-based kaolin industrial chain.
In the electrophoretic coating system, kaolin can partially replace resins and pigments, reducing production costs while enhancing the hardness and wear resistance of the coating. The resulting film exhibits a smooth, uniform appearance with consistent color.
As a leading enterprise, Jinyu Kelin will attract more supporting enterprises to cluster, driving the province's solid waste resource utilization industry toward a higher quality and more sustainable future. A recent Shanxi history and culture sharing session at the Shanxi Provincial Library allowed readers to intimately explore the historical fabric of Shanxi and experience the profound depths of its local culture. At a historical details book sharing session of the Changfeng Reading Club at the Shanxi Provincial Library, the speaker vividly narrated stories of Shanxi's history and culture, allowing the audience to immerse themselves in the depth and richness of this land.
We aim to unearth Shanxi's outstanding historical and cultural treasures, allowing readers to discover and engage with them.
The thematic zones and the Shanxi Local Documents reading room on the fourth floor of the Shanxi Provincial Library serve as a repository of Shanxi's historical materials and a treasure trove of the library's most significant collections. Among them, the Special Documents section, housing 260 rare items, stands out, spanning from the Qing Dynasty to the present day. These materials cover diverse themes, including account books, contracts, and certificates, and take unique formats that record history in vivid detail. These artifacts transcend the definition of traditional books, serving as a unique window to touch the warmth of history and grasp the spirit of the times.
Narrating a piece of history is itself a profoundly meaningful act, allowing us in the present day to still connect with the thrilling events of the past.
From book clubs sharing historical stories to archival zones preserving historical artifacts, the Shanxi Provincial Library is deeply excavating and revitalizing valuable local cultural resources through diverse forms. These documents, carrying the footprints and spiritual legacy of Shanxi's people, silently tell the stories of the past and will also light the way for Shanxi's future cultural development. Shanxi wheaten food stands as one of China's most iconic regional traditional wheaten food cultures. Through generations of innovation by culinary inheritors of wheaten food culture, they have evolved into a unique gastronomic cultural symbol, exuding the timeless aroma of history.
到山西没吃碗面，就等于是没来过山西。我是李坤，长期从事山西面食技艺的研究和普及工作。山西的面食品种繁多，工艺复杂，面粉经过揉压搓、擀削剥、抿擦拉等50余种的技法，再加上浇头，就能魔术似的变化出形态各异、色香味俱全的美食来。 山西面食最负盛名的就要数刀削面了，中厚边薄，形似柳叶，从原料的选择到制作的工艺都非常的讲究。揉面呢也是一个技术活，要做到面光、盆光和手光。和好的面呢，我们一般要醒至30分钟。刀工是最能体现刀削面妙处的地方。刀削面呢用的是弧形的刀，削面的时候呢，左手托板。 右手持刀，手腕要灵，出力要平，用力要匀。只有这样，才能削出棱锋分明、均匀有形的面条来。经过2000多年的沉淀，山西人创造并传承了山西面食制作技艺。 无论是蒸煮烧还是杂烙烤，从造型到风味乃至花样，可以说都达到了精益求精的程度。山西人将面食揉搓成一种文化，一碗面就是山西人的生活。面食对于山西人来说，已经不仅仅是一种食物，更是一种饱含情感和哲学意蕴的精神食粮。 我们研究面食文化，就是希望让更多的人通过面食了解山西文化，爱上山西面食。
That's all of today's Exploring Shanxi. Before we go, don't forget to scan the QR code below to watch previous videos of our program. See you next time.